with our statistics. Okay, the next one we're talking about is the median. Okay, the median, from the way it sounds, is talking about the middle number, the number in the middle. Okay, so they say the median of a set of numbers arranged in an alley. You must arrange it in an alley. Remember that alley means you arrange it either ascending order or descending order, so it must be arranged in an alley. Okay, it's now the middle one. After arranging it in an alley, the middle one, if their total number is odd. If it's an odd number, like if you count how many they are, you get an odd number, which means it must have the one in the middle. But if they are even number, you find out that there are two in the middle. So how do you get the middle one now? By adding the two in the middle and dividing it by 2. As simple as that. So let's example will help us. Example, they said find the median of, the first question said 6, 1, 0, 3, 10, 2 and 5, and the B question said 5, 7, 11, 9, 15, 12, 18, 6. Okay, so very simple solution. So median, first of all, in alley, arrange it in alley. So if you arrange it in alley, you're having 0 first, 0, 1, 2, 5, 6 before 10. Okay, so sorry, the median becomes now the one in the middle. So remove 3 from here. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I did not complete it. 0, 1. Okay, I did not put 3. 2, 3, 5, 6, and 10. You see, it's good you count it. After arranging, count this one and count your own and know if they are correspondent. So I'm having, if I bring out 3 this side and bring out 3 this side, see that the one in the middle is not the median. So the median is just 3. Okay, that is for A. Now for B, first of all, arrange in alley. If I arrange in alley, I'm going to have 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 15, and 18. I will count. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see, I missed something. So I did not put 9. You see why you have to count. 9 before 11, before 12, before 15, then before 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct. So if I bring out 1 here, 2 here, 2 here, 3 here, 3 here. You see, if I bring out 3 this side, 3 this, I'm left with 2 numbers. So I cannot choose any of them. But the median, I'll not say my median becomes, add the both of them. That's 9 plus 11 divided by 2. And 9 plus 11 will give me 20 divided by 2, which is what? 10. So the median there is 10. As simple as that. Example 2. Okay. Example 2 said find the median. Find the median of the following. Find the median of the following. They said 2.64, 2.50, 2.72, 2.91, and 2.35. Okay, as simple as that. Solution, first of all, is alley. To arrange it in alley, and to arrange it in alley, what do you do? The smallest one is 2.35, followed by 2.50, 2.64, 2.72, then 2.91. Okay, so if I remove 1, 2, 1, 2, I'm left with the one in the middle. So my median is simply 2.64. As simple as that. This is the simplest topic in statistics. Okay, so that's the middle one. So the next example said, let's solve more example. Example said calculate the median calculate the median, and I have 3, 2, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 12, 11, 12. So what do you do? Solution again. First of all is alley. The alley I'm going to do here, arranging it in alleys: 2, 3, 6, 6, 8, 8, 9, 11, 12, 12. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct. So the median becomes, if I remove, count 5 from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 4 from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm left with 8 and 8. So the median is now 8 plus 8 divided by 2, which is what? 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So the median there is simply 8. So let's solve more questions. So now let's talk about median of frequency distribution. Median of frequency distribution. Okay. So now, to get the median of frequency distribution, the first thing you have to do is to get the median normally. The median, okay, and the median here is simply the summation of f divided by 2. That's all. Summation f divided by 2. That is, we are using this formula. That is, if the summation of f gave me an even number. Okay, if the summation of f is even, that is when you use this. But you use this one. Median is become the summation of f plus 1. You will say that f, okay, plus 1. Summation f plus 1. After getting the summation f, you now say plus 1. Okay, get the summation f first, then plus 1, now divided by 2. When do we use this in? Because why we are using it is because we don't want it to give us points. That is why after getting the summation, just add 1, so that it will be an even number again, then divide it by 2. So we are using this formula when the summation f alone gave me an odd number. Now, but that answer you are getting is not the real answer. Okay, this answer you get here is what will help you to get the answer. So after getting in fact, this thing is helping us to know where it will fall, where the median will fall. Okay, that is what the work of this thing, where it will fall. Let me give you an example so that you will understand what I'm saying. Example. The example said a number of families were asked how many children they have. The results are as follows. Okay, so look at the result of this family, different families. So I have number of children and frequency. Now, for 1 children, 10 people had 1 children. For 2 children, 15 people had 2 children. Okay? For 3 children, how many are they? 8. For 4 children, 5 children and 6 children. So I'm having 7, 4 and 6. Okay, so the question now says calculate the median. So to get the median now, I thought that median is simply the median. First of all, before we get the median, we say summation. Where the median will fall is the first thing you will get. Okay, summation f divided by 2. And summation f is simply add all your frequency. I'm having 10 plus 15 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 7. So I'm having 50. So I'm having 50 divided by 2. So I'm having what? 25th. It's falling on the 25th. Okay? Since it's falling on the 25th, now look at how this is where it will fall. Now look at how to get the answer. Start adding your frequency. Okay? According to how the number of children are arranged in alley, not the frequency. It's not the frequency you are arranging in alley, it's the x. The x is what we are arranging in alley, not the f. The x is what we are arranging in alley, and this one is already arranged in alley. Then you start adding your frequency to know where 25th will fall. If I say 10, 25th falls at 25th falls at simply 10 plus 15. 10 plus 15. So it falls at 15 here. Okay? Because 10 plus 15 will give me 25. So the median is now that x. The median is not from the frequency. The frequency is helping us to get the median. So the median is now 2. So the median is equal to what? 2. So the median is equal to 2. Okay? I hope you understood how I got that. So let's do the next one so you will now understand very well. Let's do the next one. Okay, and why did we use this? We used the first one because when we added, we got 50. And even maybe we got 49 or 51, that is an odd number, we will still stay plus 1 again. Okay, so but look at the next question so that to explain this thing I just said. They say the table below shows the scores of the scores obtained when a fair die was thrown a number of times. When it is thrown a number of times. Okay, so this one gave us scores and frequency. Remember that your median cannot be gotten from frequency. Frequency is only helping us to get the median, but the median is gotten from my x, okay, and not from my f. So but f will help us to get it. So they say that when one roll is thrown, we got it 2 times. 2 gave us 5. 3 gave us x. Okay. 4 gave us 11. 5 gave us 9. And 6 gave us 10. Okay. They now said, the question now said, if the probability obtaining, okay, if the probability, said from here they said if the probability of obtaining a 3 is 0.26, then calculate the mean. Okay, before we can calculate the mean, we need to get the x first. Okay, so and probability of obtaining 3 is simply the frequency of that 3. Frequency of 3 divided by the summation of the frequency. As simple as that. Okay, you know that probability means that thing you are talking about all over the number of times you are supposed to get it, you think you are going to get it. Okay, you know that if I roll a dice once, the probability of getting any number there is 6, because a die is from 1 to 6. Okay, the probability is getting 6. So the probability of getting 1 will not be 1 over 6. Probability of getting 2 will not be 2 over 6. Okay, but in this case, so is now the frequency of that particular number divided by the summation of the frequency. So but they gave us that probability of obtaining 3 is 0.26 is equal to frequency of getting 3. Frequency of 3 is x that I'm looking for, divided by summation of the frequency is now what? 2 plus 5 plus x plus 11 plus 9 plus 10. Okay, so what do I have? 0.26 is equal to x over, let me add all the numbers. Okay, I'm having 37 plus x. So if I cross multiply, I'm going to have x is equal to 0.26 bracket 37 plus x. So I'm having x is equal to 0.26 times this. I'm going to have 9.62 plus 0.26x. So collect item to have x minus 0.26x is equal to 9.62. So therefore 0.74x is equal to 9.62. So therefore x becomes 9.62 divided by 0.74. So I'm left with 13. So I've gotten my x to be 13. So if my x is 13, now how do I get the frequency? Watch. To get the frequency, don't forget that you first of all, you know where it will fall. So for us to know where it will fall, we need summation f, and summation f gave us we calculated everything to be 37 plus x, or you do it by yourself. This plus, you know what you got as x, 13. Just add every, or let me just put it there. I'm having 2 plus 5 plus x. In fact, let me do it direct. Okay, it's going to be first of all summation f, which gave us 2 plus 5 plus x plus 11 plus 9 plus 10, and we have gotten x to be 13. So I'm having 2 plus 5 plus 13 plus 11 plus 9 plus 10. So I'm having that so add everything, I'm going to have 50. Let me check. 37 plus 13, yes, 50. So I'm having 50. So since this thing is an even number, the first formula is what I'm having. So the median will fall, the median falls at summation f divided by 2, which is equal to what? 50 divided by 2. So it is falling at 25th. That is where it will fall, and not my answer. So, and this is already arranged in early. So where do you think you can get your 25? Alright, let's start adding. Start adding 2. You are adding your frequency to get 25. 2 plus 5 plus x gave us 13 plus 11. Okay, so 10 and 11 is where 25th fell. Okay, x and 11 is where 25th fell now. So, and is at the 11 is the last one. The last number is where you are checking. This plus this plus this plus this is inside there that you get what? The 25th. So the frequency is now 4. So the frequency, sorry, the median is what? Is simply 4. Okay, because when we are adding, we got 25th from here. When we added the last person here, we did not get 25th, but when we added this last person, 25th was inside it. We got 31, and 25th is inside of 31. So the frequency, the median there is simply what? Is simply the one above, because frequency cannot give you median. So then answer the next question. They say the distribution of the daily waves, okay, wages, the daily wages is 100 naira of some workers on a farm is given below. Okay, so let us draw what they gave us. So what they gave us is wages, frequency, number of workers. So two people got 2, 3 people got 4, 4 3 people got 4. 5 people got 11. 4 people got 10. 8 people got 10. 6 people got 15. And 10 people got 3. Now if you look at this thing, the wages are not arranged in alley. So the first they say find the median. Find the median. So the first thing you do is to arrange it in alley. So first of all, we are going to arrange it to be in alley, because you cannot get a median without arranging it in alley. So let's arrange our wages in alley. So wages, frequency. So the first one is 2. 2 gave us 2. 3 gave us 4. 4 gave us 10. 5 gave us 11. 6 gave us 15. 8 gave us 10. And finally 10 gave us 3. So first thing we are going to get is the frequency. A summation of the frequency. Summation of the frequency. That is the total number of people that worked. Okay. So that is the frequency, because this is number of workers. So the total number of workers is now the frequency. So I'm going to have 2 plus 4 plus 10 plus 11 plus 15 plus 10 plus 3, and the summation gave us 55. If you look at this, 55 is odd number. So if 55 is odd number, look at how to get where it will fall. The median falls at summation f plus 1 then divided by 2, because it's an odd number. Okay, so I'm going to get that is now what? 55 plus 1 divided by 2, which is what? 56 divided by 2, which is 56 divided by 2 will give me 28 yet. So it's falling at 28 yet. So how do you get your answer? The one arranged in alley, keep adding. That is why another reason you have to arrange it in alley. So you say 2 plus 4 plus 10 plus 11 plus 15. That is where 28 fell. 28 fell at 15 lastly. So the median is simply 6. So median is equal to what? 6. That is all about median. Okay. So what do we have now? So the wages is now be what? 6 times 100, which is what? 600. Okay. The wages is now 6 times 100, which is 600. So let's talk about mode. Now mode is simply the highest occurrence. The highest occurrence is the mode. The mode is simply the highest occurrence, but you must arrange it in alley first. It must be arranged in alley. Okay, it must not be arranged in alley. Just count. Even if you don't arrange it in alley, no problem. So example said what? Find the mode. Okay, we have mode. So find the mode, and I have 1 2 3 4 4 5 5 5 4 2 2 3 4 5 5 6. Okay, so the mode is simply mode. The highest occurrence here is 5. So the mode is simply 5. So mode is simply what? The highest occurrence. So they say a type of average that shows the most popular. The most popular item is called what? It is called the mode. The mode is the one that will give you the highest populated one. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. In our next video, we talk about a measure of spread, that is variation and dispersion. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.